What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be an IKEA shop with me. I'm actually about to head out with my sister. She drove up and we're just going to have a girls' day. I'm going to bring Riley along with us and we are going to walk the floors of IKEA. She's looking for, I believe, something that she could put into her closet. And of course, for me, I am always looking for storage systems, or storage solutions and things like that. And IKEA is definitely one of my favorite places to shop. And then also just see what new things that they have there. So yeah, I figured I would take you guys along with me. Let me know if you guys are one who likes to walk the floor of IKEA, or if you know the secret pathway where you can go immediately downstairs. Leave all of your comments down below. I would love to connect with you guys there. And if this is your first time here, my name is Nia and I create new videos every single week on cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood. So please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And for those of you guys who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
For me, I love the detailing. Like, this is what I want to put in our house eventually. Ooh, so pretty. This is so gorgeous. It's $2.49, but I love the just natural wicker of it, if that's even the word.
Just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution.
This is my favorite series or line of their furniture, because you can easily just switch these out with a jeweled knob. So pretty.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
See, I love these oversized chopping blocks, but it's just going to take up so much room. It's not even worth it, but I definitely am a huge fan. just got back from IKEA and I forgot how long it takes you to literally walk the whole entire floor, but it was great. We had a lot of fun. Riley met a new friend, so it tired her out. She passed out on the car ride home, so it is a win-win for me. I also found a couple things that I am really excited about, so I wanted to show you guys everything that I did pick up. If you see anything you like, make sure to check the description bar because I will have everything linked for you. So the first item is pretty large, and it is going to be those photo frames. Now I know I've talked and told you guys about these before. If you saw my nursery storage hacks video, which I'll have linked up in the cards for you guys, I like to use these to display all of Riley's books, and I believe we have maybe about like 5 of them literally all the way up the wall, but this is going to be the larger size. It does come in 2 colors, black and white, but this one is actually for a friend of mine. So I picked up 3 of them. She wanted to display them throughout her house. So yeah, this is not for me, but I did want to still show you guys what this looks like. So if you want to display pictures and all of that stuff, these are really great, and not to mention very affordable. So for me, I ended up getting a couple of like storage solutions. I recently redid Riley's closet, and there are some things that I just like need to fix a little bit, and storage is one of them. So I picked up this humongous like storage thing. It's like a storage bin or basket kind of thing, and it's the Stuck, S-T-U-K. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but it has a huge zipper around the top, and it comes in pink and maybe one other color. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I figured that this would be great to hide the stuff that's all the way up at the closet. Like, it's an eyesore looking at it, so I figured I could put all of the stuff in here if I have extra clothes for her that is too big for her. It's a really great place to store all of that stuff. So I picked up one of these, and then I also got 2 of the smaller versions of this. It's a lot longer, and it has like 2 little I guess like little cubbies that you can stick clothes in. So I do have to go back to Home Goods and look for some more hangers, because now I'm just gonna hang all of her tops, but for her pants and like stuff like that, I really don't think I want to hang her little itty bitty pants or shorts. So I'm hoping that this will work, because it's a lot higher, so it's going to hold a lot more stuff than what we currently do have. I also picked up a set of 3 little hooks. So I wanted to put one of them outside of her closet, so when I'm picking out her clothes for like church or the next day, I can really just display it and it looks like a lot nicer. I wanted a single one in gold, but it just was so humongous. I was just like, no, that's just not going to work. So I saw this pack of 3. It comes in gold as well, and I think it was like 99 cents, so really not a bad deal at all. And then I also picked up this strainer, and I had seen this on Alexandra Butcher. I know I'm butchering her last name, but yeah, I saw it on her video and I was completely obsessed. So it's basically a strainer, and it allows you to like pull the handles out, so it literally just sits right into your sink. It allows cleaning your produce to be so much easier, so I cannot wait to actually use this. I don't remember how much it was, but again, I will have everything linked down in the description bar for you guys, so if you see anything you like, definitely make sure to go check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching and spending the day with us. I hope you guys had a great time. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
'Cause